All right, I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you some strategies that you can use to complete addition and subtraction equations. This is something new for us in kindergarten. We have built our own equations and we've used manipulatives to help us to build equations, but this is our very first time of actually answering equations, filling in the answers for addition and subtraction equations. So I'm going to show you some strategies that you can use here in class or at home, so that this will be a little bit easier for you. We're just going to do the opposite of what we just did in our other lesson. Instead of starting with a picture, we're going to start with the equation and then we're going to draw a small picture that goes with our equation to help us to figure it out. Well, sometimes you get really good at this and you don't need to draw the picture, but for now, for today, we are all going to use the same strategy. And that strategy is to draw a picture to go with our equation so that we can count if we need to in order to find out how many altogether. First of all, let's look at this page right here. On the top part of the page, you'll notice that each one of those equations has a plus sign. Does a plus sign mean that I am adding or subtracting? Adding. Thanks for listening, kindergarten. It means that we are adding. Okay, let's do the first one together. Look at this number right here. Everybody, what number?
0.
Yes, 0. Do I draw anything to represent the 0? No, because 0 means nothing. So I do not have to draw a dot to represent 0. I'm going to make sure that I don't have a 0 right there because I don't want one. I want there to be nothing under the 0 because a 0 means nothing. Okay? I'm going to make sure I don't have any dots under that 0. Next, I go to the next number. Everybody, what number?
3.
Yes, 3. How many dots should I draw to represent 3?
3.
3. I would agree. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now, I don't draw big circles because I don't have room on this paper to draw big circles. I have to draw little teeny, itty bitty, tiny little squiggle dots. So I just put my pencil down and I wiggle, 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 and that makes that little dot. Okay, raise your hand if you know what I need to do to find out how many altogether. What should I do? What strategy should I use? What should I do if I don't know how many this is? What should I do to figure out how many it is? Zanaya. What if I don't know how many dots I have, what should I do to figure out how many dots that is? Yeah, go ahead. Count them. I would agree. Let's count them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, I didn't have any dots over here to count, so I know that what is my answer? 3. 0 plus 3 equals 3. Okay, let's look at this one. How many dots do I draw for the first number? 2. I see a 2, so I'm going to draw 2 dots. How many dots do I draw for the second number? 1. Now, what do I do to figure out how many I have all together? What do I do? I count them. I count all the dots. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Oh, I would love for you to show me your level of understanding for this task, for the addition part. If you think, ooh, this is really hard, I don't think I can do this by myself, then I want you to show me a 1. If you think, I might be able to do this, but I also might need help sometimes, I want you to show me a 2. But if you think, I've got this, I don't need any teacher help on this, I'm a pro, then I want you to show me a 3. Awesome. Okay, we are going to stop right here and just do the addition portion, and we'll be back to do subtraction later.